Hey, if you're considering getting this 260-piece Hex Bolt assortment set, let me show you why it's a good idea. Hey, I keep every screw, nut, bolt, washer, you name it. It all basically ends up in here. The problem is when I go to try to find something, it's just a hodgepodge of stuff. It takes forever trying to find exactly what I need. As you can see, everything here is just all mixed up. The nice part about this set is everything is labeled. I can know the exact size of what I need, the exact length, and it has a variety. This one actually has an assortment. So you're not just buying one type, you're actually buying, if you want a 1/4 inch hex bolt, you're getting one here at 3/4 inch. This is a 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch. So I know exactly where they are. Comes with the corresponding spring washers, flat washers, and the hex nut that goes with it. And as you can see, very well organized. It has the little dividers here to keep it separated. These are all made out of stainless steel. As you can see here, very well made. You can see the grooves, the teeth on these are very well. They're not dull, flat, and they're very evenly spaced. And obviously you can use different types of wrenches with these. You can use your closed end wrench, which will fit right on there. You can use your open end wrench. And of course you can use a socket that will fit right on there. Right here on this ping pong table, you're going to see I have a bolt right here I had to replace because the other one was stripped out. And there you go. It's on very nicely. So if you're tired of digging through your drawers and those bins that are just a mix match of all different types of washers, nuts, bolts, things like that, and you want to become more organized, this will do it.